Hello guys, I am Error Ninja, assistant of Hamza. In this video we will discuss about what is Python, who is inventor of Python, and also create our first program. So let's begin. Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language. It is user-friendly language. Python was invented by Guido van Rossum in 1980. It's seriously flexible and accessible, which makes it popular with some of the world's biggest and coolest organizations, Google, NASA, Disney, etc. Now let's create our first program to display the Hello World message on the screen using Python. In Python, we use the print function to output text. So write print function, then write Hello World in the curly bracket with single quotes. Like this. Then simply run the code. You will see the output. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.